United 1665, wind 210 at 6, runway 28 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 211, 65, roll. Tower United 1665, boarding takeoff.
United 1665, roger, and let me know what you need.
Stand by 1665. United 1665, we're ready to clear the runway. We got to taxi back to the gate.
United 1665, roger. You can continue down the runway, cross one right and one left. And what gate?
We'll have to contact ops. I'll let you know what the gate is in a little bit.
Okay, sounds good. United 1665. How about a right turn there at Lima? I'm sorry, left turn at Lima. Right turn at Foxtrot 1, and then you can cross one right and one left.
Again for 1665?
Trying to get you to turn left when you can. If you miss Lima, you can use 19 left, but turn left.
Turn left, 1911, 1665. And what do you want further for 1665?
1665, right turn at Foxtrot 1, cross one right, cross one left.
Alright, Foxtrot 1, cross one left, cross one right, 1665. Anyone join Alpha?
Yeah, you can join Alpha. And what was the reason for the abort?
Our thrusters were not engaged, and that's for now what we think.
I'm sorry, what is it that wasn't engaged?
United 1665. Our right engine never came up to full power. So it came out to about 60%. It wouldn't come to 100% power.
Gotcha. Okay, thanks very much.
Was the United 1685 okay? Was any assistance?
Negative on assistant, United 1665.
And tell us that United 1665 come back to the pit, and was it due to engine stuff?
Yeah, our right engine never came up to power. It came up to about 60%. Our left engine came up to power, and the airplane started to veer off the center line, and we aborted.
Roger. Thank you, United 1665.